Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7 guys, and if your AC compressor, the air conditioner does not work, it blows cold air, we'll explain guys which fuse you need to check. You have two fuses for the AC, so make sure guys you stay until the end. Now quick introduction to the channel. We'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if that fixed your problem or if the video was helpful, and we'll go ahead and show you where to find those two fuses now. So let us show you now. We're going to go ahead, open the hood guys. Okay, the first fuse is under the hood in that fuse box. The second one it's hidden, so we will show you where it's located in just a little bit. Now we need to go ahead, open the fuse box. There is one clip right here, pull. Now we need to grab the box cover, pull it this way and pull up. Okay, and it comes out. Now the fuse guys that we are looking at, okay, the first fuse, it's a 10 amp fuse. And usually, okay, I get a fuse puller or I get pliers, okay, and let me show you where it's located. Looking at the fuse box, okay, it's this fuse right here. The second fuse on the right side, okay, from top to bottom. So I just pull it with the pliers usually, or you can use a fuse puller. Okay, and this fuse guys, okay, this fuse is burnt. Okay, you can see the element inside, it's burnt. So let me show you now what we'll be using here. Okay, this is guys the fuse box. Those are the replacement fuses. You can find them listed in the description of the video below. We'll share the link. Amazing deal on these fuses guys. You cannot beat that price. It's amazing, and you have so many fuses for spare, and you don't need to worry about running out of them anymore. We'll go ahead and install this one guys. This was our problem, but if you have okay, it still doesn't solve your problem, we will show you where else you can find one more fuse. So let me go ahead and show you that quick. I'll get the fuse puller with me. Okay, this fuse puller, and we'll go ahead and open. Okay, open the door, and right here guys you have one more fuse box. You open that fuse box, and looking on the very bottom row, the one before the last one, okay, this fuse right here, I count the empty one as well. This is for the AC. So if you use a fuse puller, that's how you get it guys. Get on top of it, grab it and pull it out. In our case, okay, let me open it quick so I can check if this fuse is good or not. Okay, and this fuse is good. You can see the element inside, it's not burnt, otherwise you will see a spot that's missing of the element. Okay, so those are guys the fuses. Okay, you have a mini fuse puller right here if you need it. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.